We're here at the best locksmith in Florida. Security Lock and Safe. St. Petersburg, Florida, 5088 66th Street North. Look at this. It goes to my Cushman van. The key was lost. They made that key in 5 minutes. They made that key and the spare key for 20 bucks. That's a good deal. It was 2033 total. 2033. Security Lock and Safe. St. Petersburg, Florida. 5088 66th Street North. They made a key once before for a Harley. They made the key for only 40 bucks. They made a barrel key for a Harley. They were able to pick it off the saddlebag. I brought a saddlebag in. And they didn't even want to see the titles. They just picked it. It was a wiggle key. It kind of fit, but it wasn't perfect. It was 15 bucks for the key. Or that one was 40. This one was 15 and 4 for a separate key. 2333 total. That's a good deal. This go from an old Cushman, not the Cushman, the Daihatsu Hijet van. It's a micro van. I lost the keys somehow. I don't know how I lost it. It should work perfect. Just put it back in.